up, what up? I'm the math teacher GOAT, and today in 5th grade math, we're talking about powers of 10. Make sure you go to the description and download the notes so you can print them out and copy along if you can. And also like and subscribe. I would really much appreciate that. Let's get right into it. Powers of 10 help us understand how numbers grow and shrink quickly. If you multiply a number by 10, that number gets bigger. If you divide a number by 10, that number gets smaller. So what would that look like here? Well, multiplying by 10 moves digits left. Dividing by 10 moves digits right. Zeros show how many places the digits move. So what that's going to look like is when we move a digit left, we're adding a 0 at the end. When we move a digit right, we're taking away a 0 if there's one there. So the way I'm going to show this is whenever we multiply by a number, I'm going to put a dot at the very end of the number. Okay, and however many zeros that I multiply, okay, whatever that number is, so 1,000 has 3 zeros, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces over to the right. By multiplying it by 1,000, I'm making my number bigger. I'm going to fill in those spaces with zeros. And so 31 times 1,000 becomes 31,000, 31,000. In the same way, if I'm going to divide by a number, I'm going to put a dot the same place that I always do at the very end of the number, but I'm going to move my dot to the left, that way. So that's going to be, let me see, 2 zeros. Let's move it left, 1, 2, and then let's hack off the zeros that I move over. So that leaves me with a 6 and a 5. So 6,500 divided by 100 is going to be 65. So basically, if I multiply by a 10, a 100, a 1,000, I add that many zeros to the end. If I divide by a 10, 100, or 1,000, I hack off those zeros from the end. Okay? So, what does that look like? I'm going to multiply 45 by 10. Put a dot at the end and add a 0, like that. So that becomes 450. I'm going to multiply 320 by 100. So put a dot at the end. 100 is 2 zeros. So let's move to the right. 1, 2, put a 0 there, put a 0 there. That's 3, 2, 0, 0, 0. Let's put the comma there, and that's 32,000. See, I just added 2 zeros. Now I'm going to divide by 10. So put the dot there. When you divide, you take away a 0. So we're going to take away 1 0. So hack it off. That leaves you with 650. So 650. I don't need the comma anymore. 650. And last but not least, I have 9,000 divided by 1,000. Put a dot right there at the end. Hack away 1, 2, 3 zeros because it's 1, 2, 3 zeros. Goodbye, 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 and we're left with just a 9. All right, I think you can handle this. Right now, pause your screen and try them on your own. Write out your answers. When you're ready, come back and check your work. I'll give you like 2 seconds for you to pause it. Go! All right, good, you're back. I'm multiplying by 100. Put a dot at the end of 72. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, fill them in. 7200 becomes 7,200. Okay? Divide by 10. Put a dot at the end there. Go to the left one. Hack away that 0. Write out 480. That's 480. Don't need a comma. 300 times 1,000. Put a dot. We're making our number bigger by 1, 2, 3 zeros at the end. 1, 2, 3 zeros at the end. 1, 2, 3 zeros at the end. That's 300, 000, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. That's 300,000. Explain what happens to the digits when you divide by 100. Now, when you divide, your number gets smaller. But when you divide by a 10, or in this case 100, it gets much smaller. So let's just say I have like, I don't know, 200 jelly beans, right? And I were to give you 200 jelly beans. And you were like, that's a lot of jelly beans. But then all of a sudden we're dividing it by 100. You put your dot there, that's 2 zeros, move to the left twice, hack those off, and that 200 just became a 2. So not only did your number get smaller, it got much, much, much smaller. So imagine if you divide by 1,000 or something like that. It's crazy talk. We don't need to deal with that. But very quick lesson, very short, very sweet. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please watch my other 5th grade math videos. Leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Bye.